Oh man. I might have picked a bad day to work. It'll be a good day to make money, but look at this road. And there's a winter wind or a wind warning or something like that. So, yeah, let's make that money today. I'm also sick, if you can't tell. My voice is very deep right now. Yay! Yay for getting out there and making money no matter what. Look at this. It is gusted. Alright, I hope you guys all stay inside and are warm today if you live anywhere around where I am. Oh, sure, pull out in front of me when it's icy. Why are people stupid? Huh. Alright, bye.